Good evening, candidate. Welcome to our revision today. We are revising for KCP, and our question comes from KCP 2013. Question says, Wanja deposited 24,600 in a certain financial institution which paid simple interest per annum. After 9 months, the total amount of money plus interest earned was 25,338. At what rate did the money earn interest? So in this question, candidate, you are given principal, and you know very well that principal, this is the amount deposited in a bank or the amount borrowed from a bank. So our deposit or principal is 24,600. What are you given also? You are given amount of money that had accrued in the bank after 9 months. You are told it is 25,338. This is what had accrued after a time which is 9 months. So, candidate, when you are given amount and you are given principal, you first of all find the interests. The interest. How do you get interest? You say amount minus principal. Amount minus principal will give you interest. So what is the interest? You have 25,338. You subtract the principal, which is 24,600. So you do the subtraction. Subtract together. 8 minus 0, you get 8. 3 minus 0, get 3. This is 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, you will get 7. So the interest earned after 9 months is 738. 738. And what is the formula for getting interest? To get interest, candidate, you multiply principal times rate over 100 times time. Do you have rate? No. Do you have principal? Yes. Do you have time? Yes. But remember, you are told that interest was earned per annum. Therefore, when you are given time in months, you have to change it to years by putting it over 12. So, how are we going to get a rate? You are going to say the interest that you have calculated here, 738, you will say this is equals to principal, which is 24,600 times rate, which you are not given, of 100 times time. And you're going to say 9 months, that is 9 over 12, because rate or the interest was earned per year. You simplify to find the value of R, the value of rate. So 2 zeros cancels here. You divide by 3. 12 by 3, you get 4. 9 by 3, you get 3. You divide here by 2 is 2. 246 divided by 2, you get 12. That is 123. You divide again by 2. 2 divided by 2, you get 1. 123 divided by 2, you get 61.5. 61.5 times 3. 61.5 times 3. You multiply here, you get this is 15. This is 3 plus 1, you get 4. 6 times 3, you get 18. Then we have 1 decimal point. So you multiply this one by r, so this is 184.5 r, like that. Candidate, from there, you are required to solve for the value of r. So you say this is equal to 738. To solve for the value of r, you divide both sides. You divide both sides by 184.5. 184.5. We divide 738 by 184.5. So this one cancels like that. And then when you divide 738 by 184, you get 4. So our value of r, which is rate, is 4%. So the interest was earned at the rate of 4% per annum, PA. So our answer is choice A. So candidate, when you are working out this question on simple interest, it is good to note how interest was accrued. If it was accrued per annum, the time should be in years. If you are given in months, you divide over 12. And that is how you work out that question. So keep following for more revision so that you can be ready for the exam, which will kick off in October. Thank you and welcome.